Hi friends, welcome again to MALogics, where we learn daily math tips and our skills boosted on daily basis. And today we are going to solve this math operation 7 minus 1 parenthesis 7 minus 11. Can you solve it? But keep in mind its answer shouldn't be minus 24. Friends, in such type of math operations, we have to apply the rule of PEMDAS. Every one of us know very well that the rule of PEMDAS, where parenthesis has higher priority over other math operations. Write 7 minus 1 as it is. Inside this parenthesis, 7 minus 11 gives us minus 4. So here we do parenthesis again. So minus 1 times minus 4 minus minus will become plus. So minus 1 times minus 4 gives us plus 4. 7 plus 4. In our next step, 7 plus 4 gives us plus 11, and this is our final and correct answer for the statement given above. If you enjoyed this video and learned something, then must hit like and subscribe button for more upcoming videos.